Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Mechanics, in this video we're going to show you how to remove the front door panel on a Chevy Equinox or Pontiac Torrent. It's the same procedure from 2005 on all the way until 2009. So what you need to do with a screwdriver or prying tool, you need to pry right here in the middle, pull the front part out, and I'll just pull the clips out of this thing. Okay, it clips that way, and you remove that trim. And now we need to remove that cover for the mirror. So you just pretty much pry it open. There is one clip right here. And next thing, there is one screw with a Phillips screwdriver right there in the door handle. We need to take this one off. Okay. And next, right here with a 10mm socket, you need to remove. There is one bolt on the front part. You just need to take it all the way off. And there is one more on the back. Okay, you might need to use an extension, it's more convenient. This is the bolt. And now one more on this side right here. So just pull this one off all the way as well. Okay, they're pretty long screws. Now you need to start prying right here in the corner and just pull. There is many clips. We're going to show you where the clips are once we remove the panel, so it will be easier for you to know where to apply more pressure. Okay. Okay, after that you need to remove that plastic piece right here, that trim. You just need to pull it out all the way. It's a very tight fit, but pry a little bit on it, it will come out. Okay, like that. There is one clip on the front. And now the whole door panel comes right off. And thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.